Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Let's start off with those gas prices. Guess what? They'll decrease effective tomorrow. Now, a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline, along with diesel, will go down by $3.06 per litre. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will go for $4.37 less. Kerosene will decline by $4.50. But propane will go up by 79 cents, while butane will sell for 85 cents more. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their rates, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. What all of this means is that you can wait until tomorrow to benefit from those new prices as they take effect at the pumps. Some news in the banking sector now. Investigations are ongoing into a break-in incident at the Knutsford Boulevard branch of Scotia Bank in New Kingston. The incident, which occurred between Tuesday after business and Wednesday morning, forced the closure of operations on Wednesday at the location. The bank says the incident did not affect the banking hall or other restricted areas. Scotia Bank says the impact was not significant. Repairs to the broken glass were made today and the branch is expected to reopen on Thursday. Now, the attack on the branch comes after a year of security concerns and breaches facing financial institutions across the country, especially with the transportation of funds and automated banking machines. Sagicor Group Jamaica has expanded into Latin America. The company says effective January 1, it entered into a joint venture with Capital and Advance Incorporated, their partners in Costa Rica, for the acquisition of Sagicor Panama from Sagicor Life Incorporated in Barbados. Now, Sagicor Jamaica says the deal has received no objections from both the Bank of Jamaica, the Jamaican and Panamanian regulators. President and CEO of Sagicor Group Jamaica, Christopher Zaka, says the acquisition of Sagicor Panama is in line with the company's strategic objective of regional expansion. The new arm will be providing insurance solutions across Latin America, and the company looks to add more new markets in the next few years. Now, Sagicor Panama currently offers a range of products including group and individual life insurance, group and individual health insurance, and personal accident insurance. Sagicor Group Jamaica also comprises of Sagicor Life of the Cayman Islands, Sagicor Investments Cayman, and Sagicor Costa Rica. Now back home to the foreign currency market, the US dollar is being sold for an average $155.27. $116.27 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $196.17, while the euro is selling for $169.73. And today's trading session ended with the main market index declining by 3,567 points, while the junior market index lost 79 points. Among the 39 winners were Lumber Depot, A.S. Bryden and Sons Holdings as cross-listed from Trinidad and Tobago, First Rock Real Estate Investments Jamaican Dollar Shares, Stanley Motor Ordinary Shares, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company. The 47 losers included Salada Foods Jamaica, Paramount Trading Jamaica, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Access Financial Services, and Blue Power Group. Now 19 stocks traded firm at the end of the session today. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.